Get pro-quality paint results without the hassle of bulky professional equipment with the 24V-PS1 24-volt cordless paint sprayer from Power Joe by Sun Joe. Gone are the endless hours of rolling paint or the streaks, runs, and drips you get from a brush. Get a flawless finish in half the time with Power Joe. 24V-PS1 uses high-volume, low-pressure technology to evenly disperse the flow of paint with less risk of overspray or wasted paint. The onboard turbine atomizes the paint upon contact with the airflow, eliminating the need for heavy pressure like traditional airless sprayers, and provides you the control you need for intricate painting projects without splattering paint everywhere or needless overspray. Perfect anywhere powers at a premium, Power Joe's Ion Plus 24-volt battery provides up to 20 minutes of continuous, rechargeable runtime and a max-rated flow of up to 3.2 gallons of paint per charge for professional results without tangled cords or the hassle of a high-pressure hose. Power Joe's onboard paint container holds up to 32 fluid ounces of paint, primer, stain, sealer, or varnish, while the variable flow control lets you get the most out of every ounce of paint. Do detail work in less time with the 3 selectable spray patterns, get in crevices and corners, around edges, and in fine details with unparalleled precision. No more struggling with a slick, slippery brush, just smooth, even coverage and fast, easy application at the push of a button. Plus, the 6-piece accessory kit includes 3 spray nozzles, a viscosity testing cup, and a cleaning brush and clean-out tool to maintain optimum flow. And every Ion Plus tool comes backed by Sun Joe's complete 2-year warranty. So get ready to spray your way and go with Joe, the Power Joe 24V PS1 24-volt cordless paint sprayer by Sun Joe. Get equipped.